Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Messenger people option not showing problem. So in order to solve this problem, we have various steps that you can try. So simply navigate to your Messenger applications icon, hold it down and select this small eye option at the top right corner, that is app info. Navigate to app info of Messenger and scroll down and click on mobile data option. Make sure this allow background data usage is enabled. After ensuring this, scroll down and select storage from the same options. Now click on clear cache option. Also, you can click on the clear data option and select delete. This is going to remove your account from Messenger and delete all the photos and videos that will be stored from your Messenger. Clear the cache and see if this solves your problem or not. If your problem is still persisting, what you're going to do is select Messenger, hold it down, click on uninstall and select OK. After you select OK, Messenger will be uninstalled from your mobile phone. Now navigate to Play Store and search for Messenger. After searching for Messenger, click on this and select install. After Messenger gets installed, what you'll have to do is simply click on open and log in to Messenger using your user credentials and you'll be successfully able to fix your problem. And if the problem is still persisting, you'll have to basically contact to Facebook support and describe your problem. So these are the ways through which you can fix your Messenger people option not showing problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.